Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to my 2,278th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, make sure you subscribe to these videos. They are timely, and the information in these videos is good from the moment you see the video through tomorrow's close. It's Monday afternoon for Monday night through Tuesday, 6/29/2021. Traders, we know this is a very risky game. If you don't know that, you should. In fact, today we traded crude oil. My apologies, kids. We had a losing trade in crude. Stop never got hit. Profit objective never got met. And we got out at the close. But not every trade is going to win, not even if OMNI makes the call. So please know this and put your stops in first. Now, for trading on Tuesday through, Monday night through Tuesday, you're looking at the Nasdaq daily bar, and in my opinion, Nasdaq is leading the parade. Look at this wonderful up move today inside of an Oscarism known as the F flag. Looks like it's leading the way, so that tells me I should probably be buying E-mini S&P, and that's what we will do for trading on Monday night through Tuesday. I want to see ES now catch up. It's also in a bear flag of its own. It's in an Oscarism known as the F flag of its own. A little bit smaller, but that's okay. Nasdaq's leading. So we will be looking to buy the dips in E-mini S&P for trading on Monday night, Tuesday. And then there is this. Traders, I don't care what anyone else thinks. The hunt for gold remains on, baby. I am going after this flag. I am not quitting on this flag. We are going to capture this flag. Just like a paintball game, we are going to capture the flag. For days now, I've been either getting us short or trying to get us short. One of the trades didn't work. That does not matter. When I see a flag and I know it's a flag, I go after that flag. In fact, let's look at something else that's on here. Look, check this out. Let's pull off this average and leave the 200 on there, and look at the action that has taken place since below the 200 bar moving average, right? Look what happened when you got below it here. It didn't go straight down, but boy, did it end up going down. Here, not going straight down, but boy, is it going to end up going down if this continues, and of course the dollar index continues to do what it's doing. Dollar index, kids, remember I pointed this out to you last week in one of my 2 p.m. midday updates? I pointed out that this was a bull flag, and this is going to continue, and the fact that crude went up while we were building a bull flag was really disturbing. Now, crude luckily didn't blast off through 76 today. It got up there, but it pushed back down a little bit. But the dollar gaining strength is going to put weight on things like commodities, and commodities are grains and gold, right? That's certainly some of them. And I think these will feel the strength of the dollar's bull flag, which is what led us to say we are going to look for selling gold. Oh, you know what? It's right here. For trading on Monday night through Tuesday. Look at that massive drop after you get under the 200 bar moving average. I don't know if we've had that big of a drop yet, and forming the bear flag. So that's what I'll be doing at livewithoscar.com. The site is free. No credit cards are required. Make sure you join me in my live chat room. Remember, traders, stops are in. Emotions are out. Now remember, the gold hunt is on. Put your stops in first, and I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.